Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create drain effect with the help of smart filters in Photoshop. Place your original photo into the workspace, then convert layer into a smart subject and create a new layer filled with black and apply filter and add noise. Then go to the filter and select motion blur, set angle to simulate falling rains. Now apply both as smart filters, change blend mode to the screen and also reduce opacity for realism. Mask rain from face areas, increase blur if rain looks sharp. And add a second noise layer for depth, re-edit instantly. Anytime add color tint for darken